All right, good evening and welcome to this class. Now we have been on the laws of logarithm. We'll be taking the last one, just one today, just one. Yeah, just one. And I know you must have gone through the ones we gave before now. All right, I think I've given a 6 so far. Yeah, 6. We discussed addition laws. We discussed subtraction laws. We discussed power law, power of the base. We also discuss log to its own base. We also discuss reciprocal law. Today, let's talk about logarithm of 1. Logarithm of, let me just call this one the 7th one. What is wrong? Logarithm of 1. What does it say? It says that log 1 to its base is 0. That means log 1 to any base is equal to 0. I repeat, log 1 to any base is 0. Take this example. Now let's say I have this example. Let me say I have log 1 to base 10. Okay? Now I can say let log 1 to base 10 equal to x. Okay? Let log 1 to base 10 equal to s. Alright? So at this point, the next thing now to do is to convert to index form. Convert to index form. How do we do it? We are going to have that, let's say now, 1 is equal to 10 to the power x. Recall that we have a particular law, all right? The law that talk about, what was it called again? Okay, that was under indices, yes. That says that anything to the power 0 is 1, okay? It means that this, something are saying 10 power 0, this one now can be changed like this. So I'm going to have 10 power 0 is equal to 10 power x. So this and this are the same, nothing changed. Is that okay? So since we have equal bases here, I will remove these bases. I'll now equate the powers, which says that x is equal to 0. So it means that if I come back here now and replace my x with 0, that means log 1 to base 10 is 0. So log to any base is 0. Let's try, let's say I have log 1 to base 5 is equal to what? Okay, now let's say let's log 1 to base 5 equal to y. So let me convert to index form. Okay, when I do, I'm going to have 1 to be equal to 5 power y. I will say recall that a power 0 is 1. That means anything power 0 is 1. Is that okay? So that means here now can be 5 power 0 equal to 5 power y. I'm using 5 because I want to have equal bases on both sides. Okay? So taking away the two bases, since they are equal, then when I equate the power, I'm going to have that y is equal to 0. Is that okay? Good. So let me just take one example. Just one example, and that is, let me say this example now. Let me say I have log, okay, 16 over log 32. Okay, now let's do it this way. E is equal to, now my sense tells me that I can bring this and this to have the same base. I'm sorry, to have, yes, this and this, the same base but different powers. I can have this to be 2 power 4, that gives 16 over log. Let me just have, this is 2 power 5, that gives 32. Is that okay? Now, there's a particular, what was it called? A particular law, okay, that talks about power of a number. We call it power law, yes, under log of indices. You can still check the previous videos, please. He said that when I have something like this power will multiply the log and the number here. So I'm going to have 4 log 2 over 17 here, 5 log 2. Of course, this, we cancel out this. So I'm going to have equal to 4 over 5. And that settles that. So please, let me just stop here. Let me to do something, please. You can just go back and watch all those laws of logarithm, okay? Then connect the first law, second, third, fourth, now to this particular last one, which is the 7th one. Because in the subsequent days, we're having more examples so that anyone will solve, we actually know why it happened the way it actually happens. Because if not, you keep on getting confused, no matter how far we might go, no matter how hard we might try to treat it, until the laws sink into you. I'm telling you, you may hardly understand things based on this theory of logarithm. All right, so that's that for that. Thank you for being part of today's class. And please, lastly, anytime you see assignments, the aim is not to punish you, but the aim is just to strengthen you, give you more strength to help your knowledge about that particular topic. So at every time, do well to attempt to every assignment. Please try your best just as you can. Try your best as regard attending to your assignments, because as you do, you're going to know more about the particular topic under discussion. Okay, bye for now.